Hi everyone, today we have another Pokemon Red cartridge for Game Boy. As we see in these pictures, the problem is we have this black square in the middle of the screen when the game starts, but everything inside the game is just normal. Starting with testing the cartridge, it looks fine for now. Okay. Now we have this black square, unfortunately. Let's take it apart and see if we have any damaged screen or loose connections. First, visual inspection doesn't show us the reason for this problem. Of course, we have a missing pin of the EEPROM, but it could be the reason for this. So I will start with cleaning the pins of this cartridge with eraser. Now we have clean shiny pins. Okay, let's test this game again. Okay, reset the game. Now it's working. Do we still have this black square? Yeah, unfortunately, we have it. Okay. Visual inspection again and test every pin of each IC to see if we have any loose connections or damaged beds. Since we don't have any loose connections or any loose pads, so we'll use our multimeter to see if we have any broken traces or something. Finally, we have found the problem. It was a broken trace between the memory controller chip and the RAM. And another broken trace at the back of the board. By fixing both of it, the problem is fortunately fixed. And again we have a working Pokemon Red.